Baby girl, what's up? See how this is cutting off our circulation in my thighs? Oh! Do you see this suit? It's a wrap. What's up? What's up? It's your girl Kitan here, and I am back with another Zara haul. What? I am so happy that you guys loved my first one. I'm gonna link it up here. You guys were like, okay, you need to see another one of these. So I said, I already bought some stuff from Zara, so let's go. No, I'm really excited to show you guys stuff I got. I have a ton of stuff. I have some jackets, some coats, jewelry. I have everything. So if you're not ready for a long haul, just pause this, get ready, because when I show you the things I bought, you just run over to Zara. I just hope that everything's there, because you know how Zara is. You just won't be able to find anything again. So I'm gonna leave links in the description box to everything that I can find. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad at me if you don't see something, because it's not my fault. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know to keep doing more hauls and more fashion videos. And also just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. I'm coming at you. I don't know if you guys have seen my consistency. I'm patting myself on the back. All right, let's get into this video because I already know it's gonna be long and I need to show y'all what I got. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm gonna start off with this one piece. Your first question is probably where you're gonna wear this to. That's also my question as well. I feel like I can wear this to the airport. Do we agree? Airport chic, put on a little jacket, some tennis shoes, you know? Like, are we in agreement? I mean, leave some suggestions to where I can wear this to down below, because I really feel like it's airport, it's chilling, it's lounging. I feel like if I were to wear heels with this, it might be going into the wrong direction. That's not the vibe I was going for. I was going for like the casual, you know, tennis shoes. You know, I just don't want to do too much. But I mean, it is so cute. But yeah, this is my first piece from Zara. Okay. Yo, Zara. This fall, Zara is not playing any games. And I'm okay. Because, hello? I mean, do you see this suit? This is their Camel. I don't even know, but I'm always link everything if I can get it. Like I said, I'll link it in the description box, don't worry. So this is this Camel leather suit, or pleather. I'm not sure this is real leather. It doesn't feel like real leather. It is really nice. Let's go up close. Let's look at the detail. It's the attention to detail for me. I mean, come on. Are we in agreement? I actually already wore this. I wore this for our Armani campaign that I did. I'm gonna leave it right here so you can see some of the photos that I took. I had like a slick back. It was a vibe, and so many people were like, I need this suit. And I was like, you better get that suit, because it's gonna be gone very soon, and it might even be gone by now. My only complaint for this suit, which I don't even know, can you guys see the bottom? I think you can, is the way the legs flare out. They're not like skinny, they don't go in. So I don't know, I think I may get them tailored, because they're not gonna look good with the kind of shoes that I wanna wear them with. I need them to go like this. Sometimes things don't come in the way you want, but they're still affordable. So what I've started doing is I've just started getting things. If I like them, I get them tailored, and I'm good. So this is gonna get tailored for sure. So I don't know how Zara did this, but somehow this suit fits me like a glove. Y'all need to see. Oh! Let me break it down for you. Let me break down what's happening. So this is a navy blue suit, and it has flared arms. The legs as well are flared. I hope you can see it, because it will be a really, really big injustice if you can't really tell. This is a business meeting suit. Like, this is I'm not playing games. You can't play games with me as well. It's a wrap. It's a wrap in this suit. It looks so tailored. Oh! Wow. This is main character energy. This is boss vibes. I mean, okay, let me just show you guys. Okay, I'm walking in. Let me walk in. I mean, speechless. So these two did not come together, but I'm putting them together just so you can see what's happening. The thing on top here is this cropped blazer, which, you know, I'm not sure. Okay, it looks structured, but you have the tie here, and then it's a lot of cleavage action going on here. Okay, just be forewarned if you're a bit busty, you know. I feel like you can wear it with different things. I feel like this by itself anything. Skirt. I even have some skirts here. I'll put it on with a skirt so we can maybe see the vibes with the skirt. Yay or nay to this blazer? I don't know. It's a yay. It's a yay, right? It's a yay. It's a yay. Okay, so we got the blazer out of the way. We're keeping it. We're keeping the blazer. So these are leggings and they zip. So you can zip them up or you can like have them like flared like this. Very nice quality leggings. Let me show y'all this skirt though. I don't know why I have so many black and dark things. Anyway, let me show y'all this skirt. I'm gonna put it on with this. Let's see if it's a vibe. I'm gonna say no to the blazer with the skirt, but yes to the skirt. So let me move this out the way. Let's talk about the skirt. Listen, I'm ready to go dancing. You see how the skirt is moving? This is my time to wear my clothes because I don't have anywhere to go. Oh, details, y'all. It's velvet. It's a velvet skirt. Velvet? So I am a huge fan of baby blue. Like baby blue is my thing. And I'm also a huge fan of like fuzzy, see that? You see that? Comfortable materials. So when you add those two up, here we are. Okay, so I actually already have something that's kind of like this, but it's like pants and like a long sleeve sweater. So this is just a little bit different. I saw one of my friends wear this and I was like, Zara, she tagged Zara. I went on there quickly. I don't know if anyone's like me, but if I see there's like a set anywhere, I have to get both. I have to get both, or in this case, 3 of them. So it's like a 3-in-1, you know? I just had to get it, because even if I just wear it like this, I mean, I don't know where I'm going. It's gonna get a bit cold soon, so maybe this is just gonna be one of those indoor loungy outfits, like you just, maybe you're having like a little get together indoors or something. Honestly, there's some hidden gems in Zara. You literally, I already told y'all, the way the models be posing, sometimes you will never be able to know some of this stuff is actually really cute. But sometimes you need either a friend to wear it, or in this case, maybe if you see me wearing it now, you're like, ah, I like it. Don't worry, I got you. Get it, girl. I'm not sure what I expected from this thing, but it's not this. This is just a scam, because I don't know. This is a scam. Please, where's the rest of this? Where is the sides? This is a bib. This is a bib now. If somebody wants to, I'm trying to think of how you wear this in a way that makes sense. So I'm currently on Zara's website, and it's my fault, because it's as if I didn't even look at this thing. I don't have anywhere. This is not appealing. You cannot blame anybody but yourself, because I don't know what I was looking at. What's a babe I was saying I was buying shirts. Wow. Let me just move on, because at this point, there's no possible way I can keep this. What is all this now? Like, what is this? Ugh, I'm tired. I'm actually tired. Like, what's the meaning of this? Maybe I can like tie this. What? What is this? What's the meaning of this? Because it's not calculating in my brain that I'll keep this thing. Even the pants are just not even moving. They're a bit stiff. Why would I be wearing stiff pants? I don't like this. I don't like it. I feel like it does absolutely nothing for my shape. Nothing. I don't have time for things like this. Oh yeah, next. Okay, I love this pattern, but what I don't love is this fit. Maybe I'll keep the skirt, because the skirt is a vibe. No, the skirt is a vibe. Nobody should even try to play this skirt. The only thing you can try to play is this top, because it's not fitting. Fits. Guys, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this. I don't know now. I don't know why it's doing this. Why are these things not? And then what is the separation with the two things? It seems like this is supposed to be a top that like reaches like right here, and then the skirt. Am I wrong? I think the skirt is a yes, the top is a no. What do you guys think? I'm leaning towards no, but I can also lean towards yeah. Where am I going? I can lean both ways. I'm loving two pieces. I'm loving skirts, especially for fall. I'm definitely loving it. Okay, let me show you guys these boots that I got from Zara. Let me show you. This is the kind of thing that I would wear with this set. It's thigh-high white boots. But the last time I tried to put these boots on, these boots tried to play me. They literally would not go over my calves, and that is not okay. There's no zip, so it's probably not trying to play me. And it's a size 40. I'm usually a 39 or a 40, so this thing should not even try it. It should not try it. Oh my gosh, is actually a workout. Oh my gosh, I got it in. I got it in. I don't think it should be this difficult. I really don't. What we saying? What we saying though? What we saying? There's no possible way for me to go higher than this. See how this is cutting off our circulation in my thighs? I really needed some white thigh highs, but it looks like this one doesn't fit. Like, it probably needs to be a little bit more stretchy because my thigh circulation is gone. But I do like the vibe, so I will be on the hunt for some thigh-high white boots. So if anybody knows where some are, please just leave in the comments so that I can, you know, click to shop. Okay. Okay. Oh! Let me do a little spin. Yo, is this what we're saying? All right, so what we have here is some shoulder pads, okay? Futuristic vibes. Do we love? Baby girl, what's up? No. On a serious note though, I'm a fan. I love, like, this is all I needed. I am a shoulder pad fanatic. If you guys have been following me for a while, if you guys have seen my thrift hauls, first of all, thrift haul, you want a thrift haul? Because I can give you a thrift haul if you're asking. If you guys remember my thrift hauls, anything that has shoulder pads, I bought it. There's nothing new here. The material, do you see? You see how thick that is? In case you're wondering, it's very thick. Very thick. Yes, please. Okay. On the surface, this looks like a regular sweatsuit, like jogger set or whatever on the surface, right? Probably like, oh, it's cute, you know, whatever. But let me come up close. Okay. This actually has shoulder pads. Listen, I told you guys about me and shoulder pads. There's nothing else to say again. It's so nice. Like, it's really nice quality. You know me and the quality. I'm always gonna show you guys the quality because that's what I'm all about. It's really nice quality and what's good? Y'all know this girl? Have you seen this girl before?
This is also from, what's this place?
What, Zara?
It's just a sweatshirt, right?
How dare you? Imagine it with this chain.
Where would you wear it to?
Anywhere. With some tennis shoes or some heels.
Oh, okay, I see what you mean. I love it.
It's just, the lies. No, for real though, I really like this and I will be wearing this dressed up and dressed down. Thank you. Okay. Okay. What we saying about this sweater though? What we saying? Right now, I'm hot. This is so thick. Imagine if I was like in a winter, somewhere wintry, or it was like cold outside. This sweater would be a vibe. Would be a vibe. I could wear this with jeans. I could wear this with literally anything. I feel like if I wore this with something white, expensive vibes, very expensive vibes. And you know, you like to look expensive because that's just a vibe in itself. I like this. I'm definitely gonna be rocking stuff like this winter, especially like with the fur. Come on. Are we on the same page? No, I'm a fan of this. I like it. I have like one more thing that has this kind of fur detail, and I get a lot of compliments when I wear it because people are just like, oh, what's that? I'm like, oh, don't worry, please. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not one of those people that doesn't tell people where I get things from. I'm usually very good at that. Let me just show you the last couple things that I have because I'm nearing the end of this haul. You guys, I'm not shopping at Zara again because all this money I spend at Zara, I'm actually not interested. Please, you won't see another Zara haul from me for a while. You just be clicking. It's so easy. So I also got this scarf. Now, can you already see it as a shirt? This is a shirt. You know all those videos that people be like, oh, 5 ways to wear a scarf. So, you know, as a shirt like this, maybe a little like thing like what am I doing? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this haul. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. If you already made it this far, just make sure you subscribe because you already made it this far now. I mean, what's up? Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you can see how I wear some of these pieces, and I'll leave that here and also linked down below. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. It's probably gonna be a fall fashion lookbook like the one I already did before. I know hauls are cool, you get to see what people buy, but it's also nice to see how people pair them together. So I got you. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Bye.